mentioned before.
I had to find something to wear.
Well, you're a little overdressed, aren't you? It's a casual event.
I bust my ass to impress you, and for what? What?
For what?
Do you appreciate what I went through? No, you wanna argue, belittle, and nitpick down to the bone. I should have my girl Medusa turn you all to stone.
That would be necessary.
Then let's make sure we understand each other. All will be well if you don't screw it up. All will be well. Keep your hopes up, I command you. Don't you sass me, I'll backhand you. All will be well. Oh, so you're probably wondering about this ancient curse you've stumbled into? Well, let me assure you, it's all Karen's fault.
No, it's not.
So Bill dug up the ancient curse, and Karen naturally assumed that she could put it in reverse until their normal lives resumed. Sadly, she miscalculated. Welcome to Impending Doom.
Well, that's not fair.
Her modern tavern is a fucking
I worked very hard on this.
misunderstood the brief. And fell afoul of nature's arms, and ushered back ancient.
Look, it's just like I tried to tell Bill.
Bill knew better, Bill got wiser, Bill ran back to Greece. Karen's foolish errand couldn't grant the soul's release. She got hold of power, but that power was abused. Mortals shouldn't play around. Zeus is not amused. As a safety measure, I was sent to oversee cleverly designed and advanced technology. First, I gained her trust, but then I took complete control. You will go through me if you prefer to keep your soul. Here's what you never understood, Karen. It's more than just a bad review.